Hey everybody, this is Randy the Mobile Traveler. How we doing today? I hope this video finds you well. Well, today I am going to swap out refrigerators. I'm going to see how it works. I got two 12-volt Alpacool refrigerators. They seem to be using a lot of power. And I'm going to change it out with a regular 110. And you see it there? Probably not. That refrigerator right there, Magic Chef. That's what I'm doing today. Come back to me. I'll show you how it works. Okay everybody, I already started to demolish this. I took the refrigerators out, took the drawer slides out of it already, and I've already actually cut this piece. Now what I'm doing is I'm trying to modify it to where it will fit that refrigerator. What you have here, you got your 12-volt wires here, and they're running to my batteries, so I have to go outside, unhook them. I'll pull them through the hole, and then I'm going to take and hook it to, that inverter right there. I have to run a few wires, and I'll run them up underneath the cupboards, and it should fit in there. Should slide right in that hole. I'm going to have to take and adjust the top just a little bit. All right, time to go to work. Well, there is my battery bank, people. Remember, always unhook your power source first, which is right here. Before I start messing with any other wires, that's the one I'm going to unhook. All right, and then I'm going to come back here, and I have to finagle my way in this little area. You guys see this? And then I'll unhook them from these resistors, and then we'll be set. But remember, you know, my good buddy Badge said, be safe and use the right tools. Which, Badge, if you're listening, I've got the right tools. Okay, now I'm going to unhook it from these resistors. And then I've already got the solar unhooked from the battery, so there's no juice. I've got no juice coming up to here. So that is the safe way to do it. The right tools. Use them if you got them. You know, I sure hope this works. That refrigerators have been giving me grief ever since I've gotten them. They just seem to be using a lot more power than I expected. And it's probably just because I'm in them all the time. They are a good refrigerator, I'll tell you what. They do keep things cold, and I will be using them as a freezer, but I'm going to hook them up a little bit differently in a little different spot. And that will be another video, people. Anyway, this is kind of tedious work. I'm sure you guys don't want to watch me doing this. Well, everything's all buttoned up, beautiful, and there's the refrigerator. Check it out. It's great. And, by gosh, you see that light inside there? It's working perfect. Who says you can't have a house refrigerator in a camper? Well, everybody, as you can see, refrigerator went in without a hitch and worked great throughout the night. Used less power than them other two did. Woke up and my batteries were great. The food was cold, so it can be done. Anyway, thanks for joining me. And stay tuned. You never know what kind of thing I'm going to be doing next. If you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching.